What is up, you guys? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your astrological or zodiac sign on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Snapchat application and then click on your profile icon right there to get in your profile. Now there, to change your astrological sign, just go to your settings, tap on gear icon, and in order to change your zodiac sign you need to change your birthday. Just click there and now you are able to change your birthday. Click on this date and let's change month, for example, and tap continue and confirm that action. Then go back and now you see that astrological sign was successfully changed for me, and I hope this video helped you out, so let me know in the comments below that it's really worked for you.